This one's from Anthony, and he's mad, okay? EA Sports, it's in the chain. Okay.
Oh.
EA CEO Andrew Wilson said during the most recent earnings call that NFTs in the blockchain are the future of the industry. Anthony Young's take, no, they are effing not. And he specifically highlighted a couple of keywords for me here. NF and T. Thank you, Anthony, for the steaming hot pile of take right there. EA hasn't laid any plans for how this will be accomplished, however. This is hot on the heels of Ubisoft's own plans to bring NFTs to its games just last week. Interestingly, Ubisoft talks of games using a play-to-earn model, which would dole out digital content to players for playing the games, presumably with longer playtime getting rare drops or something like that. Anthony goes, I can't see any way this could backfire, as if I needed another reason to hate both of these companies. NFTs, for the uninitiated, are non-fungible tokens. So it's a concept that ties ownership of a digital good to a ledger or to a blockchain in an effort to make the sale of digital assets more trustworthy. Here comes the Anthony rant. Do you want to read the Anthony rant?
Sure. I'm mad. This sounds great in theory, but there is a very real problem with NFTs where artists, far from getting paid for their work, are having their work or even tweets converted to NFTs and sold by third parties. Sometimes programmatically by bots, it's being abused for pump and dump schemes, and NFTs notoriously sell for ridiculous sums of money as a result. Several NFT games have launched and attempted to launch, many with stolen art assets made into NFTs. Some even, I'm just ad-libbing this bit, but some even the cover art for the game, like one of the most obvious things that you don't even need to play the game to see, has been stolen art, which is pretty epic. It's unsurprising that EA Games would want in, but in the meaning of the term as it exists today, I can't see this working out. Oh, and NFTs require a buttload of power because they typically use proof-of-work blockchains, which is the thing. Yep.
Valve, for their part, wants nothing to do with NFTs, and they have blocked cryptocurrency and NFT games from the Steam platform. And in response to Valve's ban, Tim Sweeney announced that Epic Games Store would welcome them after having criticized NFTs for exactly the same reasons that Anthony's rant exists. So, yeah, thank you for your unwavering principles, Mr. Sweeney. But, hey.
I think NFTs are an interesting concept. I think the idea of having this, like, non-fungible thing, like this, like, extremely modern version of a certificate of authenticity, one of type of situation is a very interesting concept.
Yeah.
I think a lot of the ways that it's currently being used is ridiculous, abusive, and illegal.